Okay folks, we're right here in Colorado and we're hunting. We're actually on a live hunt right now for elk in northwest Colorado and near Craig. And I want you to take a look at the blind. The blind deer stands. These are not deer stands, these are elk stands. We're one of the very few up here in the north that use these simply because they work.
I made everything in here.
Fabricated it.
Joe, alongside his eldest son, Tom, designed the practical, economical, and durable polyurethane with UV stabilizer blind that has stood the test of time since 1980. Each blind is still made on the same form they fabricated.
Tell us about the packaging on it.
The deer blinds all come unassembled in a box, and the towers are in a bundle with a small hardware box. The blind, we sell it separate from the tower because depending on where you're going to hunt, depends on if you want a tower.
Right.
So that's why we sell it separate.
Yeah, we went from a 4x4 blind to a 4x8. And we've always, after I made the blind to start with, we started playing around with the towers. And it's been about the same thing ever since 1980.
And now they've came up with the newest blind, the Bow Blynd. And but anyways, they're great blinds, folks. Check them out. Debbie and all of them down there in San Antonio area make the best blind on the market, and I can attest to that because we use them every day. We got 5 of them on our ranch right here in Colorado. So anyways, check out the blind and you won't be sorry.